The Volkswagen Beetle Supervisor 2025 is an exciting addition to the Beetle lineup, a beloved nameplate that has undergone various transformations over the decades. The 2025 model, specifically in the Supervisor trim, brings a fresh blend of retro charm and modern technology. Here's an in-depth review of what you can expect from this car. Exterior design. The 2025 Beetle Supervisor retains the iconic rounded body shape that made the Beetle a cultural icon. However, this version has been subtly updated to offer a more contemporary look, while staying true to its roots. The exterior features sleek curves, a low-slung stance, and a more aggressive front grille design compared to its predecessors. The Supervisor trim adds unique touches like larger alloy wheels, chrome accents, and an updated rear spoiler for a sportier, more dynamic appearance. The headlights have been upgraded with LED technology, offering a sharp, modern light signature while paying homage to the classic circular design. The car is available in a range of vibrant colors, including a few new retro-inspired shades like sunset orange and tropical green. The Supervisor trim, in particular, offers more bold and exclusive color choices to emphasize its special edition status. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Beetle Supervisor offers a mix of retro vibes and modern sophistication. The cabin is stylishly designed, with an emphasis on comfort and technology. High-quality materials line the interior, with premium leather upholstery and contrasting stitching offering an upscale touch. The dashboard features a futuristic digital display that replaces the traditional analog dials, presenting a customizable user interface with an emphasis on usability. One of the standout features of the Supervisor model is the advanced infotainment system, which includes a large touchscreen interface, about 12 inches, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The intuitive system allows you to access navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings all from a centralized hub. The inclusion of wireless charging, USB-C ports, and a new Bluetooth-based key system makes the car feel well-suited for modern-day convenience. The seating in the front is extremely comfortable, with the seats being both heated and cooled for optimal comfort across all climates. While the rear seats retain the Beetle's classic compact form, they offer decent space for short trips, though the car is more suited for two adults in the front. Performance and handling. The 2025 Beetle Supervisor is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that provides a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. The engine produces around